Hey, you guys, I am Precious Jewel. Good morning. Listen, sometimes we have to crawl before we walk. We have to crawl before we walk. Listen, sometimes we have to take those low-paying jobs to obtain the skills that we need in order to get us to the next level and make the money that we really want. You have to humble yourself, do what you need to do in order for you to get to the next level. I remember this happening to me about 8 years ago, and I ended up getting this person on with me. They ended up making like more money than me only because they were being sent further away, and I was being kept closer to home. I wasn't making that much money, but listen, I obtained a lot of skills when I tell you. And then on my next journey, I ended up making more money because I obtained those skills that she didn't have. So you either want the money now or you want more money later. Think about it. You understand? So why not just obtain all the skills that you can, soak it all in, and then you get what you asked for when you're on the job, because now you have the knowledge. It's like the ball is in your court. So listen, sometimes you have to crawl before you walk. It's all about, humility. So let's get it, y'all.